very tough game and you won first game and it was neck and neck right until the end. What do you think was the difference eventually?
Yeah, I think it was a very back and forth game where we started off quite well, led in the second game as well, but we led them back into the game, a few errors here and there, and it became very neck to neck from then on. Although they had the momentum in the third game as well, but we caught back at 5-2, made it 11-9 in the mid-game interval, led 14-11 as well. Till then, I think we were playing quite well. Let calm down nerves as well, but maybe in the end I think we gave away quite a few easy points, a few lucky ones for them where we didn't really expect those serves, but yeah, I think they kept poking us right till the very end. Sad and disappointing.
Towards the end, there was a couple of points that hit the net cord and a few unforced errors. Do you think that made the difference?
Definitely, I think should have been a little more calmer in those situations. Having said that, I think at 14-11 we maybe a couple. I think a point or two we got quite unlucky, where Satvik touched the shuttle with his legs, which bounced off the net, and then he served through, which was totally unexpected. He served a very bad service which nobody expected, but yeah.
Yeah, a couple of times in the final stretch of the match, you all slipped. And was that a cause for concern, especially on those big points?
Definitely, I think I think we till 14-11 we were able to come back into the game even when we were down, but at 14-11 I think a couple of points, like I said, a few mistakes from our end, and they came back into the game, and it was very neck to neck from then on.
Now, I mean the slips on the twice.
On the court, not so much.
Is it a pressure game on the quarterfinals always? Like at the Olympics, such a big stage, does the pressure adds to you guys?
All games at the Olympics are, I think, pressure games, but yeah, obviously it's not the medal match, but you are going into the semi-finals, so yeah, it is a pressure situation for all athletes, not just quarterfinals.
When you are playing an elite team like this, when you get the opportunity to get things like an easy point at the net, does one become over-eager? Does that happen?
Sorry, I didn't hear.
I was saying that when you're
you were
playing
asking him, sorry.
a top-class team, a difficult team, and sometimes you may spot an easy chance at the net, and does one become over-eager to score a point at the net? I thought we made a lot of errors.
Yeah. I mean, it depends on score as well. When we were very comfortable in the first game, we didn't miss those. When we are leading, when we are playing really confident, we never miss those. So it was pressure mistake. So I mean, they kept on poking us in those areas. Like they kept on playing really good in the 1, 2, 3, 4 strokes, which we couldn't handle it well today. Especially on the good days, we handled it pretty good in the 1, 2, 3, 4. We lose in the next 8 points in the defense and so on, but today kudos to them, they played really well in those 4 strokes, and quite disappointed, but it goes on.
How do you guys prepare for these big matches, both of you? Anyone?
I mean, we have been in this situation. We played Asian Games also. We played Thomas Cup finals. We have deal big matches than this. It's on mental side, not to take so much onto the court. It's a badminton tournament, not to think like something extra special. We focused on that. We just want to give our 100%. But yeah.
You came here as favourites. There were big hopes. Now, how do you handle this situation?
Well, yeah, I think not just us. I think there are plenty of them who were favourites to win. But I think, quite disappointed that we couldn't go back with a medal. But I think there's always the next time we'll go back, introspect what needs to be done, and we'll come back stronger.